Want to keep your best Instagram stories alive forever? I'm going to show you how to create and customize Instagram story highlights in just a few simple steps. First, head to your Instagram profile. Below your bio, you'll see a circle with a plus sign that says New. Tap on it. Now, you'll see all your archived Instagram stories. This is where the magic happens. Select all the stories you want to include in your new highlight. You can pick as many or as few as you like. Once you've selected your stories, tap Next. Now it's time to customize your highlight. You can choose a cover photo by either selecting a frame from one of the stories you've chosen, or uploading one from your camera roll. For a consistent look, it's best to use pre-designed cover images. Then, give your highlight a catchy and descriptive title. Keep it short and sweet. Once you're happy with your cover and title, tap Done. Boom. Your new highlight is now live on your profile. Anyone who visits your page can tap on it to watch all the stories you added. To edit or remove a highlight, simply tap and hold on the highlight you want to change. Menu will pop up giving you options to edit, remove, send to, or copy the link. And that's it. Creating highlights is a great way to organize your content, showcase products, or share important announcements, making a lasting impression on your followers. Now go and create some amazing highlights.